I'm going to answer your top essential oil questions so you can get the most out of your oils. Hey guys, welcome to video 8 in our top 15 essential oil questions series. I'm Retha, and today we're talking about how to choose the right carrier oils for your needs. Oh, and if you haven't already checked out videos 1 through 7, you should do that. There's a ton of great information to help build on what we're going to learn about today. So why should you use a carrier oil? Well, partly because you want to dilute any oils you put on your skin. Watch videos 7 and 9 in this series to learn all about dilution. And partly because the carrier oils themselves are great for your skin, hair, and more. As to how you use a carrier oil, it's simple. You can use a carrier oil to dilute your essential oils for using in roll-on bottles, or add a teaspoon to the palm of your hand and a couple of drops of oil for a single use. Basically, once you dilute your essential oils in a carrier oil, you can apply that mixture right on your skin. For example, I love to use fractionated coconut oil and Respir in a roller bottle and apply to my chest to help with congestion. Did you know that essential oils are actually totally different to a carrier oil? A carrier oil is a fatty-based fixed oil, meaning it is non-volatile and does not evaporate. Essential oils are concentrated volatile and are not oily at all. They were given the name strictly due to the fact that they do not blend with water or other polar substances. And that's the difference between an essential oil and a carrier oil. There are a ton of carrier oils on the market today, and they all offer some therapeutic benefits. Everything from coconut oil, almond oil, to jojoba oil can be used as a carrier oil. You can even use olive oil or vegetable oil in a pinch. However, if you choose the right carrier oil for your blend, it can enhance or speed up the benefits of your essential oils. For example, argan oil is great for mature aging skin and would work nicely as a carrier oil for Plant Therapy's anti-age synergy. And since it's important to choose the best carrier oil for your skin, let's talk about which carrier oil are best for which skin types. For oily skin, I love apricot, grapeseed, and hemp seed. For dry skin, try almond oil, avocado, hazelnut, jojoba, and meadow foam. For skin that's aging, argan, camellia seed, rosehip, meadow foam, and sunflower are all great choices. And if your skin is rough, reddened, or irritated, use avocado, evening primrose, jojoba, rosehip, or sunflower oil. The true hero of carrier oils is fractionated coconut oil though. It's great for all skin types, is really moisturizing, and absorbs quickly into the skin. Plus, it won't clog pores or leave your skin feeling greasy. It might not be the first use you think of, but you can also use carrier oils in your hair. Fractionated coconut oil is great for repairing dry, damaged hair. Jojoba carrier oil is great for oily hair, and for thick, coarse hair, organic argan oil is a great choice. You can also leave carrier oils in your hair overnight. Just put the carrier oil in your hair and then braid it or put it up, and then sleep on it, and in the morning you can rinse it out and your hair will feel and look amazing. Okay guys, you know everything you need to know now to get started using your carrier oils. If you still have questions, just comment below and our aromatherapist will be happy to answer them. And make sure to come back and check out video number 9.